So I think by now you have created the compound word rainbow as well. Let's see how I created it. First, click on the Start Project button. Now click on the How It Works button. If you are a mobile phone user, turn on rotation and keep the mobile phone horizontally. Now you have entered the Sprite Lab. Next, click on the Remix button. Now click on Rename. Here you can change the name of your project and name it as Rainbow. Now click the Save button here. Now you're ready to start the project. See, our background and the basic sprites are already created. We know that when the two words rain and bow come together, the word rainbow is created. So let's create a command to display rain when you click on rain. First, I click on Events. Now drag the When Click block onto the workspace. Now, by clicking this small arrow, I selected Rain. Next, I click on Text. Now, bring this Show Title Screen block and place it below the When Clicked block. I typed Rain in front of the title here. Now, similarly, when you click on the bow, let's create a command to display the text bow. I click on Events. Now, drag the When Clicked block onto the workspace. Now, by clicking this little arrow, I selected the bow. Next, I clicked on Text. Drag the Show Title Screen block to the bottom of the When Clicked block. I typed bow in front of the title here. Now, when you click on this plus mark, rain plus bow should be displayed. At the same time, the sprite of rain should move to the east and the bow to the west. Let's first create the command for when the plus mark is clicked. I clicked on Events. Now, drag the When Clicked block onto the workspace. Now, by clicking this little arrow, I selected the plus mark. Next, let's display rain plus bow as before. I clicked on Text. Drag the Show Title Screen block and place it below the When Clicked block. Now, what we type in front of title and subtitle are removed like this. Rain, plus mark and bow are three words. When we combine several words like this, we use the join block. I clicked on Text again. Now, this join block is dragged and placed in front of the title. Now, I clicked on the text. Now, drag the typing block. Now type rain here. Now again, I clicked on the text. Drag the typing block again like this and type the plus mark. Now where do we type bow? Again, I clicked on text. Now we can see the typing block that we used to type the rain and the plus mark. I will drag it like this. When this block is brought to the bottom of the join block like this, you can see that the typing block can be connected here. I connected this typing block. Now I typed bow here. Now let's create a command so that the rain will move in the east direction as soon as rain plus bow is displayed. I clicked on Behaviors. Now drag the Sprite Begins block like this. Click this small arrow and select Rain. Now again, I clicked on Behaviors and dragged the Moving East block from the green blocks and placed it in front of Sprite Begins. So now let's create a command so that the bow moves to the west direction. I clicked on Behaviors. Now drag the Sprite Begins block like this. Click this small arrow and select the bow. Now again, I clicked on Behaviors and dragged the moving vest block from the green blocks and placed it in front of Sprite Begins. Next, let's make the command where as soon as the rain touches the bow, the two sprites disappear. First, click on Events. Now, drag the When Touches block to the workspace. Now click the first arrow and select the rain. Click the second arrow and select the bow. Next, I click on Sprites. Drag the Remove block to the bottom of the When Touches block. Now, click the small arrow and select the rain. Now, we have to remove the bow in the same way. Again, I click on Sprites. Now, drag the Remove block like this. Now, click this little arrow and select the bow. And now, we remove the plus mark. Again, I click on Sprites. Now, drag the Remove block like this. Now, click this little arrow and select the plus mark. Now, along with this, we need to display rainbow. I clicked on Sprites. Now, drag the Make New Sprite At block to the bottom of the Remove block. Now, click this little arrow and select Rainbow. Now we need to remove the rain plus bow part which is displayed above. Instead, it needs to be displayed as rainbow. First, let's remove the rain plus bow part. Removing the title screen we added is called hiding. I clicked on Text. Now, drag the Hide Title screen block like this. Now again, I clicked on the text section and drag the Show Title screen block. Now here, I typed rainbow. Now, click on the Run button. Next, click on the cloud and see if rain is displayed. Now, click the bow and see if bow is displayed. Now, click on this plus mark. Look, we got a rainbow and it was displayed as rainbow. Very good. Now, WhatsApp your design to me on Note 76 812 5244. See you with another interesting lesson through DP Coding School soon. Have a nice day.